Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 357 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Being Enough for This Moment, a quiet reminder that you don't have to feel motivated, joyful, or certain to be worthy of care. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. You might feel tired today. You might feel unsure or unmotivated. You might feel like you should be doing more. For this moment, let that be okay. Let your breath move naturally. Let your shoulders soften. And let yourself exist without fixing anything. You don't have to know your purpose right now. And you don't have to feel inspired to be enough. Now, say to yourself, I am allowed to be as I am. I don't need to earn rest or kindness. Being here is enough for now. Notice the relief in not pushing. When you're ready, bring yourself back to the present moment and carry the quiet truth that you are already enough. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.